The quality of the installation is really everything. Measuring, making sure that you've dotted the I's and crossed the T's. When I go out on a sales call, everything gets measured to the 1/8 inch of the existing equipment, really doing an overall comprehensive installation. And really understanding the theory of what you're doing is what's most important. Actually having the customer engage with you so that they fully understand what's coming out, what's there, how it's measured, all the details. It adds a lot more to your credibility as a company, and it informs the customer as well that you have care and you take painstaking time to go through all these things and explanations with them. When you select your equipment, whether it's Train or Carrier or Mitsubishi or whatever, Builder Pro, it checks. It has a software behind it to make sure that the applications are going to work within the proper BTUs and outputs. On the next page, where you have the enhancements, is where you really zoom in with the customer, where you can list chronologically all the parts and pieces, everything that's going to be used on that job. You can adjust the pricing doing finance rather than someone with a calculator and a piece of paper trying to figure it out. It's all instant. There's nothing like it. It's just perfect. It just is a professional process. You go in with your iPad and a brochure or something like that. They just love it. The customers just love it. The Sales Builder Pro should be used everywhere. Everywhere. I wish I had it 20 years ago.